Hi, my name's Chris and I'm one of the brewers here at All Inn Brewing Company. Today I'm going to take you through the steps to use our Fresh Wort Kits in their new bag-in-a-box packaging. First, start with a clean area. Have washed clean hands and ensure all equipment being used is cleaned, sanitised and accessible. You'll need to pour your fresh wort into a sanitised fermenter in one of two ways. Grab your Fresh Wort Kit, tilt it on its side, push open the Open Here tab, grab the bag just under the spout and grasp tight. Remove the lid and, if you have one of the newer tamper-proof bags, remove the tamper-proof plug. Tilt the Fresh Wort Kit over your fermenter and slowly release your grip to moderate the flow. Or, if you prefer, just take the bag out of the box and run through the same steps. Our new packaging makes this emptying of the Fresh Wort Kit a lot cleaner and simpler. Next, you'll add 5 litres of sanitary water into the fermenter. You can skip this step if you wish, however, this will result in a lower yield of finished product and a higher alcohol, so drink responsibly. Now, add the yeast to the fermenter as per the manufacturer's instructions. Today we're using a Morgan's Premium American Ale yeast. Close the lid, set up the airlock and place in a temperature controlled fridge at the yeast manufacturer's recommended temperature. If you do not have a temperature controlled fridge, keep it in a cool, dry place and aim to maintain the desired temperature. Allow to ferment. Depending upon the beer style and the yeast used, this could take anywhere between 5 and 14 days. Check the gravity at various times throughout the process if possible. If dry hopping, add your hops approximately 3 days before the end of ferment. Once you notice the gravity has remained constant for at least 2 days, your beer has finished fermentation. Now you can cold crash your beer to approximately 2 degrees Celsius and allow a couple of days for your beer to clear up. Once you're satisfied with the clarity of your beer, you can either bottle it or keg it. If bottling, you can either batch prime or add glucose drops, and then store your bottle in a cool, dry place for approximately 2 weeks to bottle condition. If kegging, you can force carbonate and allow to sit cold and condition for at least 2 weeks for dark beers or lagers. Longer is better. Now, kick back, relax, take a sip of your brew and be proud of what you've created. And if you prefer your beers pre-made, you can find our cans at your local bottle shop. You can find our Fresh Wort Kits and all of the supplies you need to create your own brew at a home brew shop near you. Feel free to contact us should you have any queries throughout the process.